The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Lift the flap in the back of the glove box to gain visual access to the filter housing. The installation is easier to do by going under the glove box and through the footwell. Remove the screw securing the filter housing door using a T20 Torx drive. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1252 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter door by threading the bottom tabs into their catch first. Reinstall the housing door screw. After lifting the glove box, push in on the sides to get the two securing tabs behind the frame. This will secure the glove box. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.